In this tutorial, we'll go over creating an individual goal. First, open the Goal Guide app, choose a category to house your new goal, and then once it opens, go to the top right and click on the pencil icon. When the next page opens, go to Add Category Team Members here on the bottom right. Highlight the connection the new goal will be for from the list, and then select Done. And then finally Update. Now it's time to make the actual goal. So select Add a New Goal. Once you give the goal a name, scroll down here to the team list and make sure the goal recipient's name is highlighted. Go down here and click on Individual if it isn't already selected, then press Next. Now all that's left is to add goal details. Click on if you want this to be one that repeats or one you have to complete by a certain time. Just for this tutorial, we'll say complete by. Click on Next. Now once you select a completion type, all you have to do is press Set Goal.